Hello and welcome to Easy How to Videos. In this video, I will show you how to add and edit text on CapCut editing software on a desktop. Adding text to your video is very easy. First, we click the text menu at the top. On default text, we click on the plus button below the default text. Default text will automatically add to the center of your video. Or we can also hold and drag the default text button to our video timeline. To change the text, we go to the text editor on the right and change the default text with any text you want. For example, we write your name. We can change the font to match your style by changing the system font. Here, we can download the font provided by CapCut or pre-installed font on your system. We can also change the style and color of the text. We can also adjust the number to change the spacing between characters and lines. There is also some preset style that we can choose to make our text look even cooler. We can scroll down for more menus and we can change the size by adjusting the scale. To change position, we can adjust by adjusting the X or Y position or by simply dragging the text. We can also change the text alignment and add some other effect like blend to change the opacity of the text. We can also add stroke to add outer line or outer background to your text, and you can customize it as you like. So that's it, my easy guide on how to add and edit text on CapCut editing software on a desktop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out my next easy how to videos. See you on the next video.